Alrighty everyone, today me and Jamie are out on our dual sport bikes. We went out to Delle. We're gonna have some fun out here today. Our main goal is we're gonna try and climb the mountain that's in front of us. We both got a full tank of gas, so we should be able to make it. What's up with Jamie? Here, we'll probably just goof around in here a little bit, get her a little more used to the bike. But yeah, we're on two beefy boys today. Jamie's on her XT 250 and I am on the KTM 690. We got lunch packed, we got our waters on us, so today's fitting to be a real fun day. Oh, got a little sketchy there. Come here.
The mud is scary on this bike. Are we going straight?
Yeah.
No.
It'll be good. Just stay in the path where people have gone. Trust me, it's not that bad.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you going? My front was skating into that corner a little bit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I could not make that corner. This bike is like freaking turning a bus. Holy shit. Oh my god, that was kicking me in the so hard. Oh, almost buried the front. Now that is a sketchy ramp if I've ever seen one. Ooh. I almost lost the front there. Come on, shit. Jesus Christ. I missed that shit so many times. Alright, let's hit this hill climb straight ahead. She went all the way around. Yeah! Gotta love some good old-fashioned wheelies. God, that feels so good just to be able to open accelerate like that.
Which way are we going?
That way. Just put it in second and get some speed and you'll make it. Just keep the throttle open. If you feel like the bike's going down on you, just step off. Okay?
Oh, I'm terrified of hill climbs.
You got this. I have no idea on that.
Maybe both.
Huh?
Maybe both of them and then tell me.
So half throttle in seconds should get you up. A little bit more speed. Step off! Okay, try in first. Alrighty, attempt number 2. She's got the speed. Now can she maintain it? Open it up. There you go. Keep it open. Yeah! Pathetic honks. Alright, my turn to make it. Yeah! You did it! I'm so proud of you. This is so freaking cool. There's a little bit of snow. Oh man.
Can you get it up or do you want me to?
Well, we're not going up there. Because I don't know how you're gonna get down.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn around and hit a different road.
Do you want me to take it down or can you?
I'll get it down to at least like right there for you. You can get it down from here. Yes, you can. Sorry.
There's no grips over here either.
Alrighty, so we finally got Jamie unstuck and got her bike running as well. The battery for some reason ended up dying on us, so we couldn't get it to bump start because there was so much mud wrapped around the front wheel that the frickin', I don't know why Yamaha puts on that little short fender, the fender that goes underneath the fender, because of that we were not able to roll, so we had to clear out all the mud and then take that off. But we should be rolling now. Oh, I'm not neutral. There's nothing better than being able to do something with someone, especially when it's someone you love. Not too many other women in this world would be willing to come out here, learn how to ride, and do a lot of this stuff with me. I know in some of the clips you guys can see her getting frustrated or annoyed with me or really hating my guts. But, you know, first of all, that's marriage. Second of all, she comes out here and tries, and that's the reason why I always try my best to give her every benefit of the doubt that she's trying her hardest and she's just getting frustrated because it's difficult. Riding a dirt bike is not easy, but that's also why we do it. It's because it's not easy. Just follow the quad trail. You wanna know what? She did not go down the part that I intended her to go down whatsoever. I'm very proud of you. You did great.
That was a little scary. That was...
I know, I heard you yell a little. Because we were finally in an entertaining part, and of course the GoPro died in the middle of us going through that big rock section.
Why not? I don't see a better time to die.
Ooh. I hit a rock and it just shot my front wheel out from underneath me. Threw me off balance a little. Hey, look you guys, we made it to the top. I ended up just finding a really easy road, so it wasn't like it was anything exciting actually. But either way, we are now at the top. There's a lot of cow pies. You really can see like everything. This is where I was trying to get to originally.
We're here.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we're back down at the bottom now. Nothing really too entertaining or exciting ended up happening. We took a pretty simple way down, so it was a lot of just straight roads for the most part. But we're back down at the bottom, kind of just goofing around a little bit. This bike is so scary to jump. Oh, that one. The bike was not a big fan of that one. I think I bottomed out. Alrighty, I'm probably gonna end it there. That's probably about it for exciting stuff that's gonna end up happening. Thank you for joining me in today's adventures. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe. I plan on coming out with a lot more stuff. Anyways, have a good one, you guys. Peace.